Welcome everyone to the review and unboxing of Rado Diastar original automatic open heart. In 1962, Rado revolutionized the watch industry with its scratch-resistant Diastar. Now the original takes over the powerful and ageless charm of the first Diastar. This watch has the features and functions that Rado fans know and the unmistakable look that they love. The first Rado powered by the Nivachron movement. This watch provides insights into the workings of the mechanical parts with its skeletal looks so that the wearer can feel even more closely connected to it. In recent years, vintage watches, once the preserve of tweedy specialists, have become mainstream objects of desire. Rado watches has always been interesting. In a way, the Rado Diastar original is a classic Rado. This watch holds your attention with its skeletonized dial. If you want those vintage looks and if you want to wear something that's different from the next guy, but you still want a trusted and storied Swiss brand, then this watch is for you. This watch has a power reserve of 80 hours. It has a water resistance for up to 30 meters or 3 bar. The dimension of the case is 35 millimeters and the thickness is 11.9 millimeter. It's scratch resistant like many other Rados because it uses sapphire. There are no jewels or diamonds in the dial. The watch looks stunning with its golden finish and it's a joy to look at. The default bracelet size is 20 millimeter, but if you are ordering it from the website, then you can adjust it to 24 millimeter maximum. The bracelet has a folding clasp which is extendable. The bracelet is very comfortable on the wrist. You can see how beautiful the movement is, and it's a joy to look at. Now we can take a look at what else is in them. Press button, and it can be used when traveling or if you want to keep it somewhere safe. We have some paperwork here. We have the quick start guide, then a cloth to wipe smudges, and then also we have the warranty card. The watch has a 2-year international warranty. It was in the early 1960s that Rado presented their first scratch-proof watch, the Diastar one. This model, as with others that have followed, used a tungsten carbide hard metal for the case and bezel, with a hardness many times that of stainless steel. The distinctive styling makes the Diastar recognizable today, but it wasn't a runaway success initially. Despite this, the Diastar has now been in production for over 55 years. Many re-editions, limited editions, and a huge number of dial variations have come and gone, but the distinctive case is ever present. In many cases, it's very difficult to guess which decade a particular watch could be from.